What is DBMS? A database management system, DBMS, is a software system that enables the creation, management, and manipulation of databases. It provides an interface for users to interact with the database and handles tasks such as data organization, storage, retrieval, and security. In this article, we will explore the key components and functions of a DBMS, as well as the different types of DBMSs that exist. Components of a DBMS. A DBMS has several key components, including database. The database is the core component of a DBMS. It is a collection of data that is organized in a specific way, and is managed by the DBMS. The data is stored in different formats, such as tables, graphs, or text documents, and can be accessed, updated, and manipulated by the DBMS. Database schema. The database schema is a blueprint or design of the database, which outlines the structure and organization of the data. It defines the tables, fields, relationships, and constraints of the database. The schema helps to ensure that the data is consistent, accurate, and relevant, and facilitates efficient data retrieval and manipulation. Query language. A query language is a language that enables users to retrieve, manipulate, and process data stored in the database. The most common query language is SQL, structured query language, which is used to interact with relational databases. Other query languages include XML, extensible markup language, and NoSQL, not only SQL. Database management system software. The DBMS software is the application that manages and controls the database. It provides the interface between the user and the database, and handles tasks such as data storage, retrieval, security, and backup. Examples of DBMS software include MySQL, Oracle. Functions of a DBMS. A DBMS provides several functions that enable the efficient and secure management of data, including data storage and retrieval. The DBMS stores and retrieves data from the database, using algorithms that optimize the performance and efficiency of the system. The data can be accessed and manipulated by users through the query language or other interfaces provided by the DBMS. Data integrity and security. The DBMS ensures that the data in the database is accurate, consistent, and secure. It enforces rules and constraints that prevent data from being entered or manipulated incorrectly, and provides mechanisms for controlling access to the data. Data backup and recovery. The DBMS provides mechanisms for backing up and recovering the data in the database in case of system failures or disasters. It can restore the database to a previous state, or recover lost or corrupted data. Data administration and maintenance. The DBMS provides tools for administering and maintaining the database, such as user management, performance tuning, and optimization. It also provides features for monitoring and reporting on the database, such as usage statistics, error logs, and audit trails. Types of DBMS. There are several types of DBMS, each designed for different purposes and applications. Some of the most common types of DBMS include relational DBMS. Relational DBMSs are the most common type of DBMS. They store data in tables, with each table representing a different entity or relationship in the database. The tables are linked by keys, which enable the DBMS to retrieve and manipulate data from multiple tables simultaneously. NoSQL DBMS. NoSQL, not only SQL, DBMSs are designed for handling large amounts of unstructured or semi-structured data, such as social media data, sensor data, or log files. Unlike relational DBMSs, NoSQL DBMSs do not use tables to store data, but use other data structures, such as key-value pairs, graphs, or document-oriented databases. Object-oriented DBMS. Object-oriented DBMSs are designed for handling complex data structures, such as objects or classes. They store data in objects, which can be manipulated using object-oriented programming techniques. Object-oriented DBMSs provide more flexibility and scalability than relational DBMSs, but can be more complex and expensive to use. Examples of object-oriented DBMS include object store and gemstone. Hierarchical DBMS. Hierarchical DBMSs are designed for handling data that has a hierarchical structure, such as family trees, organizational charts, or file systems. They store data in a tree-like structure, where each node represents a different level of the hierarchy. Hierarchical DBMSs are efficient for storing and retrieving data with a fixed hierarchical structure, but can be less flexible than other types of DBMSs. Conclusion. A database management system is a software system that enables the creation, management, and manipulation of databases. It provides an interface for users to interact with the database, and handles tasks such as data organization, storage, retrieval, and security. Different types of DBMS are designed to meet the specific needs of different applications and data structures. Understanding the key components and functions of a DBMS can help users choose the best system for their needs and improve the efficiency and security of their data management.